Hey there, future YouTube stars. If you're like me and thinking about starting a YouTube channel, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share my step-by-step guide on how I'd tackle this wild world of content creation if I started a YouTube channel today. Step 1. Find your niche. Alright, first things first, you gotta figure out what you're passionate about. Whether it's cooking, gaming, or even underwater basket weaving, find your niche and own it like a boss. Just remember, it's gotta be something you love, because let's face it, making videos about something you hate is like trying to dance with two left feet. It just doesn't work. Step 2. Plan your content. Now that you've got your niche nailed down, it's time to plan your content. Think about what you want to share with the world. Are you gonna be the next DIY guru, the comedy king, or the ultimate life hacker? The possibilities are endless. Just make sure your content is as exciting as a puppy discovering its tail for the first time. Step 3. Set up your channel. Alright, it's channel setup time. Pick a catchy name that's as memorable as your favorite song lyrics. Then, whip up a killer channel banner and profile pic that screams, "Hey, I'm awesome, come check me out." And don't forget to write a description that's as captivating as a mystery novel. You want people to click on your channel and think, wow, this is gonna be epic. Step 4. Lights, camera, action. Lights, camera, action. It's showtime. Grab your camera, hit record, and let the magic happen. Remember, you don't need the fanciest equipment to make great content. Just be yourself and let your personality shine brighter than a disco ball at a 70s dance party. Step 5. SEO, make Google your bestie. Alright, last but definitely not least, let's talk about SEO, aka search engine optimization. Think of SEO as your best friend who helps you stand out in a crowded room. Use keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags to help Google and YouTube understand what your videos are all about. Trust me, you want Google on your side. It's like having a secret weapon in your back pocket. And there you have it. My foolproof guide to starting a YouTube channel in today's crazy world. So go ahead, grab your camera, and let your creativity run wild. Who knows, you might just be the next YouTube sensation. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, so I can continue to bring more videos like this to you. See you on the next video.